Here at Tormach, we love to share our customer stories. So here's Sherer Engineering, where they're doing some serious refurbishing in the semiconductor industry.
My name's Robert Sherer. I own Sherer Engineering. We're a refurb equipment reconditioning facility for mainly the semiconductor industry. So if you got an 8-inch wafer that they're implanting whatever circuitry on it, it's a robotic system that has to transfer wafers from atmosphere into vacuum. This is one of the parts, all made with the conversational programming. It's a drive coil for an RF resonator for an ion implanter. You know, you bore out your copper, bore out your brass, and then this goes onto the coil. And then all of the coil goes into this can. And this is actually sticks out the end, and it's a gear belt drive for the...
Oh, I see. Okay,
yeah. And what this does is it screws in and out like that. And then it stretches this coil like that.
Okay.
And then that will change your RF energy, your RF signal. And this thing dials it in all the time, and there's 10 of them on the tool, and it's constantly going, you know, keeping exactly the right RF for whatever power it is you're running, or however deep you want to put an ion into a wafer. I have an old lathe, old horizontal lathe that I converted CNC, and it never held the tolerances that I needed. I needed something with a little bit better tolerance, or a lot better tolerance, which is the reason about this. What drove me to the Tormach was the small footprint, its capabilities from what I read online, and its customer support. The conversational on the lathe is just perfect for me because we're a job shop, so we don't do a lot of production runs. We make, you know, maybe 10 of something, so I can walk out here to that and, you know, just plug it in and make out my drawing in CAD, come out here to conversational and program. So I've had the lathe for about 3 months now. I had it up and running for about 3 months now. It's just open. It's going to open up a whole new line of parts for me, or repairs that I don't have to farm out.
Thanks for watching. Check out all of our latest videos here, and for more metalworking tips, tricks, and stories, subscribe to the YouTube channel.